Hey everyone, welcome to another of my videos. So today I want to show you how I'm using ChatGPT to basically fix some bugs that I have in my code. I'm coding this app. It's like a messenger type of app, and I'm using Swift, and this is Xcode. It's Swift 6 and Xcode. I think it's Xcode 16. And so I have this bug here that I want to fix. Now, in my case, I can read and I can write code, but I'm not an expert in Swift, and so what I do is I go to ChatGPT, and it's helping me fix these bugs much faster than I could do without this. And so, for example, this one, right? Uh, this is what it says. What I do is I go into ChatGPT and I'll do this. I'll copy this and I'll say, this is the code I have for my Swift app. It's this particular one is for the store manager. It's for the store manager, and it's showing me an error. So then I paste the code here, and I'll say, let's go back, copy this. This is the error when I try to build it. How do I fix it? And so now ChatGPT is going to go through the code and give me a solution for this. So if we come here, it says the issue in your code arises because of self being used inside the closure, where self-storage is called. Swift requires explicit capture of self when it's accessed inside the closure to avoid strong reference cycles. Here's how you can fix the code. Okay, so now this is the code. And sometimes another thing I do is I ask ChatGPT to basically change the color, meaning when I have a long code like this one, it's difficult for me to understand where ChatGPT has made the change. So I'll say, please give me the code again, but keep everything that was there before in black and show me the new code in red color. So now what it will do is it will paste it again. Unfortunately, I can't display color text directly here. However, I can use inline comments to clearly indicate the part of code that are new or changed. Yes. So if we scroll down, what it will do is will probably give me, yesterday it was giving me like a red color type of thing. So I want to show you that. I'll do it again just for this test. Please give me the code again, but keep everything that was there before in black without out, and show me the new code in some red mark. Let's see now. Okay, they seem to have modified this, but actually, as you can see here now, it's showing me this thing in red. So now I can quickly understand that there is no change of code, and it has changed the code right here, right? So for me, this would be like an improvement on the ChatGPT side, because I would like to be able to just go quickly through the code. I don't need to pay too much attention to the rest and just grab this line and paste it where necessary, if you know what I mean. So that's pretty much it. So what we are going to do is changes. Oh, it's two changes. So it's the first one here and the second one. So it's two changes. So let's grab the first one, which is right here. Added to capture self weekly to prevent memory leaks. Okay, so this is uploads picture to Firebase after storage child. So we'll say storage.child. We have two places for this. So this one is the one before upload, the one after upload profile picture. So upload profile after this one, just before metadata. Before metadata. So before metadata, right here, probably. Before metadata. And the next one is another thing that they don't have is like an horizontal scroller, and ideally they would just give me like full screen so I don't have to, copy this and go to the right to see the rest of the code. That makes sense. Where is here? That's the second one right here, right? So here, what is it on? It said change from self to self for safe access. Okay, from self to self. So here, self, storage child, this one. So storage child. So this one here, another one. And so now we see more errors, right? So what happens now is, so it seems I made a mistake. Actually, this one is not here. This one goes here. So let's place it there. Okay, so now this error has disappeared and we have another one. So the next thing I'll do is to check this other one. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll say, I'll copy this. I'll say, let's go back to ChatGPT and we'll say, now I see another error. How do I fix? Show me the, keep my code and show me your modifications with some sort of red indication. Yeah, what I like to do is to tell ChatGPT to keep my code because sometimes it will just like delete some stuff. So I want to make sure that everything is kept the same and just, show me the modifications in reds. Okay, so now the error arises because Swift's concurrency model requires types access across threads to conform to the sendable protocol. The storage manager class as written is not concurrency safe because Firebase storage objects like storage reference are not inherently sendable. To fix this, we can ensure blah, blah, blah. Okay, so here's your modified code with red marks for changes. So there is one here at the top, right? Added unchecked sendable to mark the type currently safe. So we go back. And this means that after the semicolon or after storage manager, storage manager like this and like this, sendable, and it has now that error has disappeared. So now this should build. Okay, so let's go back to make sure I've changed everything correctly. This one. So how many changes? It's only one change. Okay, I'm going to generate this again just in case to double check, but now I see the code here. That error has disappeared, so let's build this. Okay, so now I have a few more errors. So what I do is basically I keep fixing all these errors. The reason I'm seeing these errors is because I just realized that I was using version 4 of Swift when I was supposed to use version 6. And so I changed to version 6 in this project, and now I'm seeing a bunch of errors that I need to fix. So that's how I do it. I keep going back to ChatGPT for those changes. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'll come back another day with more videos like this one, and talk to you soon. Thank you.